Hello, I'm Congressman Adam Schiff, and today it's my honor to join the Iranian American community in observing Nowruz, the celebration of the Persian New Year, as we usher in the beauty that is springtime in Los Angeles and across the world. Nowruz arrives and reminds us all to reflect on the bright future that lies ahead and to savor the boundless prospects that come with the start of a new year. I want to wish the Iranian American community and Iranians around the world a joyous day of festivities as they mark this special holiday. Happy New Year.